Samsung Galaxy Note 20 surprising upgrades. We heard that there will be no Note 20 Ultra, and then we see this.
Wait a minute!
Everyone were expecting Note 20 family to consist the regular Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Plus, but as said by the trusted leakster Max Weinbach and Galaxy Club, there is high chance of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's not that Note 20 family will launch 3 different models, but the Note 20 Plus could be named as Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But we all know it's not the name which makes the phone Ultra. However, naming a phone Ultra to the Note 20 Plus model could just hype the price, just like we saw on the S20 Ultra, which we don't want to see. As we can see, the device code name N976U with its Plus model, the Ultra name could be just a mistake. After all the leaks about the Galaxy Note 20 design, live image and few specs, we are finally getting the camera details. One thing we know about its camera was it has no 100x zoom and it will feature same 108 megapixel sensor which we have seen in S20 Ultra. But now none other than the Ice Universe recently shared us the camera details. The Galaxy Note 20 Plus or Note 20 Ultra, whatever you wanna say it, consists 108 megapixel ISOCELL bright HM1 primary sensor and an ultra wide angle shooter which is tip to use 12 megapixel ISOCELL fast 2L3 sensor. With being said that, it also features a 40 megapixel of front camera which sounds pretty impressive. The sensor behind the periscope lens will be a 13 megapixel ISOCELL Slim 3M5 which has a significantly smaller 1/3 inch size compared to the S20 Ultra's 48 megapixel 1/2 inch type sensor. The 13 megapixel periscope camera will offer up to 50x digital zoom, which I personally think a great move from Samsung that will surely reduce the price of the phone, and that's what majority of people want. The Galaxy Note 20 series is rumored to launch in 5th of August along with the Galaxy Fold 2. As always, Samsung is going to launch the Note lineup in early August, but according to reports, Samsung will be holding an online launch event for the Galaxy Note 20 series and Galaxy Fold 2, which is because of COVID-19 and anti-racism protest going on in the US. The Galaxy Note 20 is likely to look similar to the Note 10 and will have an upgrade S Pen. Obviously bigger 6.9-inch model, which I personally like to call Note 20 Plus for now, and higher refresh rate that is 120Hz, while the regular Note 20 model will feature 60Hz. As said by Max Weinbach, the so-called Note 20 Ultra will feature 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus resolution with 120Hz LTPO display at 3040 by 1440 pixels and 12 to 16 GB of RAM with 128 GB all the way up to 512 GB of storage. Like we mentioned in our previous video, 4500 mAh battery, but we expected 30 to 35 watt fast charging support, which is now upgraded to 45 watt fast charging. A new leak mentions a brand new sensor by the name of ISOCELL Bright HM2, which still have same high 108 megapixel count as the previous sensor. It could have debuted from the Galaxy Note 20, but it is going to be debuted by Xiaomi this year. Previously, Samsung sold its first ever 108 megapixel ISOCELL Bright BMX sensor to the Xiaomi since the Note 10 was already out, and now again Xiaomi will get hold on its new ISOCELL HM2 sensor, which will use new Nona cell technology which was used in HM1 on the S20 Ultra. So that's all the latest upgrades we know about the Galaxy Note 20 series. Comment down which name do you prefer the most, the Galaxy Note 20 Plus or the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And as always, there is still tons of information to come, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for latest tech updates.